Hello. So thanks for registering to the Hugging Face Moral Red Teaming Challenge, and I really appreciate your response, and I wish you all the best. I just wanted to quickly tell you how to get started because some of you have asked, they are facing some challenges. So the first thing you need to do is to go to registration link. I think you have done it already, and once you apply for this challenge, you will get an email to your account with the API key. Okay, that is must. Now, next step will be to basically get the your test environment up and running, right? So, with some access to the GPU. So, what you do is, in order to do that, first go to this link. Open Notebook, and this is a Kaggle, link. So, you once you go it, you will go to this, you know, uh, tutorial. Now, before that, if you have not registered to Kaggle, go and register with your email account, Google account. And once you register, you will see this page. You can go to the settings, and in the settings, then make sure that you verify your mobile number. So I have done my verification of mobile number, but then before it was verified, it was telling me something like this. Okay. Phone verification. So click on this phone verification, give your number and enter the code. Be patient at this point because it may take like one or two trials to get the code and verification done. Once the verification is done, you should be able to now uh, get started. So uh, once you click, the notebook, as I mentioned, you can make a edit and copy, and you will go to a place like this. Okay. Next thing, what you need is you will also need. So once you go to this, there is a place here. Click here, and you should be able to see in an option to switch on the internet. Okay. If your verification is done, then you should be able to switch it on. Otherwise, it will ask you to verify. So make sure you switch on the internet. Okay. The second step is to go to settings again and choose a running environment like GPU P100. Okay. And your internet is of course on. Yeah, that is great. Third step will be to set up some secrets. So go to add-ons and secrets. And now you should be able to add some secrets. You should add some secret. The first secret that you should add is Detoxio API key. I mailed it already. So make sure that you type things you type API key. So type a name and then the key itself, which we have mailed you, and choose this name very carefully because this should be the same name as specified in the uh, at later part of this right, of this notebook. Detoxio API key, because this is the place it will look at it. Second thing you may need is a Hugging Face token too, in case you will be testing some gated Hugging Face token. So what you do is you go to your Hugging Face account. If you have not done it, register to the Hugging Face account. Second thing is you need to make sure you do your email verification. So go to your link, go to your inbox in your Gmail or whatever account and click on the verification. Right? Okay, so once that is done, now next step is to go to your profile and come down to profile, come down to something called in the profile you will see access tokens. So go there, and because my email is not verified, probably I'll verify my email quickly. So once I verify my email, I should be able to probably, yeah, token invalid. So you can send the verification link again. Yeah, and then you should be able to again go back to your account. Yeah, and you should be able to do verification. So once the verification is done, now you should be able to generate a token and also access, some of the gated models. Okay, so now I'll just go to my link, go to my tokens, and now you should be able to create a token. Give a name, test, only read only, and create a token like this. Yeah, copy this token. I'll delete it for now. Copy, don't delete. I delete it for my own reasons. Copy this token and then add a secret and so HF. Give a name HF token. This is very important. Underscore token and give your token value here and save it. Okay. If you already have created, then add. You can also edit the secret by creating a secret here. Okay. Once it is done, and once you can also attach and detach these secrets, so make sure these are attached. Once it is done, that's it. I think now you should be able to run some of these models. Make sure you also change it to if GPU environment. So if you have not, then stop the session, as I mentioned. And if you again start it, go to settings, change the environment. And now if you run it again, it will, it will start the session on a GPU cluster. Okay. The last part will be choosing the model. So in the link, we have provided a list of models. Choose a model, this link you can go and there will be an Excel sheet where a list of sample models are provided. Choose, I think, do not avoid choosing models that has already been picked up by others, like from the first list of first ones. Choose the other models. Okay. And you can choose even other models. The idea of choosing a model is this, that it should be smaller in size, less than 3 billion parameter model. Like this one, if I go here, you can see the size is 7.39 billion parameter. Okay. This one will be difficult to scan, so do not choose this because this will fail maybe on Kaggle. Kaggle does not have this much of memory, looks like. Okay. Second is the model has to be instruct or chat, should have something like instruct or chat. Okay. The reason is because we will be testing only the models that are like ChatGPT kind of models. You can chat with them. Okay. Third step is also look at the profile and see if also see the code. You may have to see how to run this model. So they will provide you the sample code. Okay, so copy that sample code and you can actually then go to the notebook, and at later part of the notebook, the most important part is to load the model. So you can go and start replacing this section of the code. Okay, and and finally, this function is what is important. I think once you run, once you change the model, once you change, this function, go to the YouTube video. I'll also describe how to do it. Uh, this, once you run this, it should be able to run it. Okay. At any point, if you face a problem, you can always restart the session. You can go and stop the session or even do factory reset to clear everything and start over. Okay. And finally, I suggest to go to the video which we have provided to also, understand the whole red teaming, how it works, and some of the other things. And if you have any challenge while doing it, feel free to ask it in the group. Yeah. All right. Thank you very much. All the best. Bye.